The cheapest way to perform Umrah in 2024, and let me show you in just 60 seconds how you can complete Umrah within £500. You can do it all by yourself and save hundreds of pounds that you'd pay commission to the agents. And of course, this includes flights, hotel and visa. Before I show you how you can put together this DIY Umrah package yourself, be sure to smash that follow button so you don't miss out on any future travel deals. Now all you have to do is go on my profile and click on the link in my bio. That's just under my profile picture. If you can't find the link, comment cheap Umrah package. I'll send the link directly. Now guys, when you click on the link, you'll come to this page where you'll see all the different countries are numbered. So you'll need to scroll down to Saudi Arabia, that's destination number 6. And here I've done half the work for you. I've added the official website for Saudi Arabia visa, which I'll show you just in a second how to use it. And I've added the links for cheap hotels in Madinah and Makkah. And official website for bullet train from Madinah to Makkah, which might be a bit slow. It might be easier to book it over there. Underneath that, there are so many different cheap deals from London or Manchester to Jeddah. If you want to go for 2 weeks, the flights are as cheap as £142, and for 1 week £147. And of course these are return flights and not direct, but with just one stopover. And you don't need to take tons of luggage with you, which is usually for others. Now you'll have to book flights, hotels and apply for visa all together. Personally, I would apply for the visa first, then flights and then hotels. And to apply for the visa, you'll need your passport, a photograph and of course a bank card to pay for the fee. Now when you're ready to apply, click on the first heading that says Saudi eVisa and you'll come to this page where you'll see this little cute girl's face. Here it tells you that you fill up the application, pay for the visa fee and you get your visa. But if you scroll a little bit further down, it tells you here that the visa will be for 1 year multi-entry visa and you can spend up to 90 days in the country. And that means you can go in and out of Saudi Arabia as many times as you want, as long as the total number of days that you spend in Saudi Arabia are not more than 90 days. And below this, it tells you which countries are eligible to apply for Saudi e-visa, including United Kingdom. Now let's go back and apply for the visa. And to do that, you'll need to click on the green button that says apply now. And from here, you'll select your passport type, which is regular, and country of your nationality, which would be United Kingdom. And then after that, this is just a little security step where you'll type in these digits and click next. And on the next page, you'll fill up all the personal information, including your name, your date of birth and email address, and a security question such as what's your favorite color and things like that. And you'll type in these digits again, and then after that you'll hit register. After this, you'll get a code through the email which you'll need to copy and paste back here, and then proceed to upload your photograph. Now to book the hotels, you need to go back and click on one of the links. For example, if you book for Madinah first, click on that and you'll come to this page where I've applied so many different filters. For example, 3 to 5-star hotels, and sorted it by lowest price first. But these hotels might not be for the right date, so you'll need to change the date. And when you change the date, these filters will be removed, so you'll have to apply these again. And to change the dates or add or remove guests, you'll need to click on the white box at the top that says Madinah. And from here you can choose your dates, your number of passengers and how many days you'd like to spend in each holy city. Now if you don't go too lavish and just book a decent hotel, you can pay for the hotels and the visa fee for just about £270. And of course the flights are already there for £147. And that leaves us with just the bullet train ticket, which is about £50 to £60 depending on the time. And that, my friends, brings the total budget to about £480. And the only thing now left is just your food or your personal shopping. Now don't forget to save this video for later and share it with your friends and family so we can get as many people as possible to have this blessing. Now if you run into any issues or have any questions at all, you know where the comment section is. Drop me a comment, even if it's just to say thank you.